Hello.
What is Daddy trying? Your daddy want to eat what? Yeah, kiwi and rice and yeah, sausage.
Yeah, welcome back to Grace of Mercy family. As you can see, the kid telling you what we are having today. Hold on, mama. You gonna tell them what we eating?
Yeah.
What's that?
What?
You gotta pray first. No, you gotta pray first. Today we're gonna have rice, sausage, and cucumber. Let's say our grace. Don't eat yet. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this food we are about to receive. Father, Lord, whatever you did not put it, and bless the hand that prepared this food. For in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. That's right. No, let's do. You want to do a thumbnail first? Let's do a thumbnail.
I'm tasting the rice.
You want to taste the rice? Okay.
I want you to kiwi.
Oh, you want to taste the cucumber? She said the kiwi. Okay, you want me to do a thumbnail like that? Let's do a thumbnail. Now, put your hand down a little bit. Just a little bit so you don't block mommy's eye. Elijah, let's do a thumbnail. Look at the camera.
Keep going.
Huh?
Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, Daddy behind the camera, guys, so here you go, Elijah. He like cucumbers too. Doing good? By the way I prepare this food, the rice is nice and seasoned. Really good.
How's your guys' day going, man?
Well, guys, hope you guys having a blessed Sunday, because today's Sunday. So, And this is my lovely babies right here. This is Miracle, and this is Elijah, which is my favorite. We call him Favor.
That's
Mom don't go doctor your Maya.
Elijah Favor.
Maya doctor so get your Maya.
He loves cucumbers.
Mommy. You go doctor go get your Maya. And you wash home.
Jamal's sleeping. She's talking about her baby brother. He's sleeping. You want a spoon? Are you okay?
No.
You okay with that? Okay. Your rice is very good, guys. It's nice and seasoned. Not over seasoned, but it has a nice flavor to it. I'm gonna eat some cucumber, okay? Okay. Now I'm gonna put some sausage over here, okay? Let's get like some rice, okay? Take your time. I wish you guys can taste it. It tastes so good. Is it good? Was it good? Like it? Which one is your favorite?
Black one.
Huh?
Black one.
The cucumber?
I'll go.
Baby, get him a spoon. You want a spoon? What'd you say?
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love sausage and candy.
You can pick it up with your hand,
And
Elijah.
bunny. And I love kiwi and
You can eat
rice.
this with your cucumber like that. Right?
Okay.
And you can eat this with your rice. Okay? If you want. Guys, this is so good. I'm going to try to put all three together. Cucumber. Uh-oh. Let me see if I can eat all three. I I guess my mouth ain't big enough.
Little sausages.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
And he was the one that got me hooked on the sausage.
These sausages right here. These. See them?
Use the spoon for the rice, Mama.
These sausages from Costco.
They're very good. You're gonna get better with that, okay? You want my cucumber? We love him some cucumber. Elijah loves cucumber, guys. Comment down below and let us know if you like cucumber or sausage.
Or what?
Or do you like rice? That's probably not good. Or rice. She's very outspoken, guys. She's a sweetheart. Like me. What? This is my little twin. Right? She's a sweetheart. All that crunch. Look, It's very good, guys. I wish you guys can taste it. You want more sucker? Stuff real good. Like it? Love the sausage? But anyway, I hope you guys having a good time. And comment down below what you want to see us eat. Or what you want to see me eat. Or if you want to see something that all of us eat as a family. You know, or if you're just the kids, you want them to eat something. Comment down below and I will let them do it. Well, I will ask them if they want to do it. Most likely my kids are very nice. They're willing to try a lot of things. They will say yeah. But some things they will say no. I was thirsty, guys. You want water? Okay, hold on.
That was yours.
Put my water over there. A little bit. Give me a cup.
Look at me over there eating this rice, right?
Elijah say, put this water on the side. I'm ready to eat some cucumbers.
It's okay.
It's okay. Just get another one. Move the cup out your way. Let me get him a few more. He loves him some cucumbers. Elijah. You like it?
Yeah.
What's up, Elijah?
Don't stop it.
I'm trying. Here.
Get a hand over there, man.
All that crunch, that flavor, all three combined together. I wish you guys can taste it. I love it. You're a mama's boy, guys.
Elijah, you a mama's boy?
That's right. Sit down. Sit down. When all the kids be downstairs playing in their basement or in their room or doing whatever they're doing, when I be in my room just relaxing or watching TV, he always come and check on me. He would let the kids play by themselves and he would just come and lay next to me and watch TV.
Mommy.
And then he'll tell me, Mommy, what you doing? I'll be like, I'm watching TV. He's like, I love you. He give me a kiss. So he always checking on me.
Oh, that's okay, baby. Go ahead.
Can you sit down, please? He always be the one checking on me. Sit down. Sit down. She used to be the one to use up all my perfume, my lotion, want to mess with my stuff.
And miss your gum.
My lipstick, lip gloss.
And miss your gum.
My gum going in my purse.
I eat a purse.
Mm-hmm.
And money and missing your makeup.
Yeah. She like to mess with my makeup. She love makeup, guys.
I put you. I just put you. And that's why I just put you 2 times.
She's been pranking me lately, but I need to catch her on camera. She be pranking me, and she'll tell me, "Mommy, I prank you." Yeah. Yesterday I was doing her hair, so I had a water spray. I was spraying her hair. So her baby brother was doing something, so I went to go check on him. I told her to stay still. I'm coming right back. She was sitting on my bed, and I came back. I was looking for the water bottle. I can't find it because I have 2. Because I usually have both of them next to me, but I usually have the main one.
And I eat a purse and you slip it and Daddy got you. And I told Daddy, Mama ate Mom's purse. She would tell Dad.
And I asked her, guys, sit down, Mama, sit down so you don't fall. I said, Miracle, did you see my water bottle? I was just doing your hair before I left. She said, no, Mommy, I don't see it. But she had a towel over her neck. She didn't hit the water bottle. When I got finished with her hair, she took it out. She was like, here you go, Mommy, I pranked you. So she had it the whole time, act like she didn't have it.
Good job, Mary.
She had nothing to tell me that she pranked me. I'm going to get you back, Mama.
Next time I'll put you again. And your mom's side.
You've been pranking me a lot lately. I'm going to catch you on camera.
I'm for Daddy.
You'll prank Daddy?
Okay, guys. I'm going to end this video. As you see, my stomach is getting full. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we thank you guys once again for your love and support. May God truly bless you. Bye, loves. You gonna say bye, love?
Bye, love. Bye.
Bye, loves. Look at the camera. Say bye, love.